All right, everybody. Good morning, good evening, whatever side of the time you're on. Welcome back. The How to Hack the PDT is a little funky because the market is up, like way up, 3% almost, and we put all these buy orders in. They didn't fill. We have sell orders in, so everything's covered. The only difference is we have $373. We need to go through the screener. We didn't have time. I had to go to work. But we're looking for stocks in our universe. Uh, that we don't already have on the list. So uh, I don't know what will happen today. You don't know what will happen today. Nobody knows. But we're going to go ahead and put the orders in, do our part here. You can see here is cat, which I don't think we have. That's in our universe. We've got to clean some of this up, which we will. I don't see it in here, so let's take a look. I'm just starting alphabetically, so no rhyme or reason here. Dividends, debt is high, but it's under our limits, and the PEs are under 15. 280.06 for cat. That's a little cat. We want a big cat. It's trading way up, but that doesn't mean it won't hit during the day. No, like I said, nobody knows what will happen. One share, try to keep the position size to 1% of the account, but I don't do partial shares on this account because of the way the orders are. Limit order, good till cancel, extended hours. No day trades, so no round trip order there. We got $92 left. Let's just keep cruising. There's several good companies here. I'm just trying to pick ones that are in my universe first. But there are several that are good here on the list. When there's a lot on the screener like there is now, um, you'll start to see some value, but they're not all created equally. This is 140. This was in the universe, but we don't have the money. We only have $92. Dow's in there. Dividends, low debt, 20 barely fits. So if you add these up, divide by 2, it's in there. 27.52 for Dow. My computer's freezing up on me again. You still there? Almost lost you guys. It's almost like they don't want me to do this. 27.52. Just one share. All right, $65 left. Just keep pushing here. Looks like we have plenty of time. I was kind of worried we'd run out of time, but I had hoped we would fill some of the buy orders, but the market's pretty strong. Uh, Emerson, 96. We don't have enough. Oh, there's a lot on here. Goldman Sachs. Definitely don't have enough for that. Hasbro. Have it under leisure. Really? Dividends. Debt is very high, but it's under our limits. PEs are too high. Wow. It's close. But I don't do close. That's the beauty of having a rules-based strategy. It's black and white. Either fits or it doesn't. Computer just does not want to work. ITW. We don't have the money, but that's in my universe. JP Morgan Chase. Of course, we don't have enough money for that one. Merck. Don't have enough money for that one. Morgan Stanley. We don't have enough money for that one. Norfolk Southern. We don't have enough money for that one. Nucor. We don't have enough money for that one. So as we go through, eventually I'll just find whatever we got money for and we'll just go for it. Prudential. Don't have enough money for that. Don't have enough for Phillips. $65. Not like we have $23 or something crazy. Should be able to find something. Of course, Target, we don't have enough. Travelers, we don't have enough. All right. Let's try Wells Fargo here. Dividends, debt is high for a bank, but it's within our limits. And the PEs are nice. Let's just go with this one. WFC 6217. There's just so many on the list. We're running out of time. It's got to make it happen. And most of these probably will not fill, to be totally honest. But we don't really know. So, could be a big day ahead, up and down. Gap could fill. Market could do all kinds of things. When I get rich and famous, I'm getting a new computer. And probably some better internet. But you can do what you can with what you have. The whole thing about this hack the PDT thing is to show you that if you put a little more effort in, you can get a lot more out in return. So that will pretty much eat up most of the money we have left. I have $2 or $3 left. $3. We're not going to go hunting for that. But you can see all the orders we have ready to roll. I'll check again this afternoon or in the morning, depending on how the sleep works. And things that don't fill on the buy side, they will get canceled, right? And we will get back in flow, and that'll be that. We've got a bunch here on the open P&L that are in profits, but we're going to stick to the plan. I'm not going to cancel the buy orders and go ahead and sell them out. We're just going to stick to the plan, see what happens, and potentially take those profits this evening. So I'm going to go ahead and go through here. I'm just going to put fill it in with all the dates and fill it up with the shares. We should be up to snuff, and life is good. We're getting close to getting back over 1,800, which would be good, and then we'll be looking to make new all-time highs for the account, as should happen, for a combination of us totally killing it every month, plus we're depositing money, so your account should go up. If you're depositing money and your account doesn't go up, probably got something going on. All right, so I think we're pretty square. I like seeing that. I'd like to get this one way up there too. Let's see, are we clued in on this one? Nope. Let's see if we can get April to be the biggest trading month we've had so far. So I actually got some eBay orders on my way home, so I got to pack those, get those ready to roll. Thank you for watching. Leave me a like on your way out. Make sure you're subscribed. Good luck today. Stick to the plan. There's a lot going on. There's a lot of volatility, which means there's a lot of opportunity. So it's more important than ever to stick to your plan. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is what I'm doing. You got to do what you do. I'm not telling you what to do. Just sharing my journey here. And I'm curious to see where we end up. But this is a huge pre-market. We've got gaps here. Anything can happen. I'm excited like Christmas morning. I hope you are too. Hope you're making money. Let's get it. Have a great day. We'll catch you later.